Hello, Kokoro. It's time for No, 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 No. BBM. This video explores some basic biblical maths. In our previous video, we explored the meaning and significance of the number 7 in both the Old Testament and the New Testament. You may watch that video by clicking on the link in the description box below. Now let me draw your attention to the exclamation point. In grammar, it is used for emphasis or to magnify an expression. In mathematics, it is known as the factorial symbol and is used to multiply a given integer by all the positive integers less than it. Let's do the maths on one of the miracles of Jesus, the multiplication of bread and fish. From Mark 6, verse 41 of the NIV Bible.
Taking the 5 loaves and the 2 fish, and looking up to heaven, he gave thanks and broke the loaves. Then he gave them to his disciples to distribute to the people. He also divided the 2 fish among them all.
How much food did the disciples bring to Jesus?
5 loaves and 2 fish.
Let's do the maths. 5 loaves of bread plus 2 fish equals 7 food items. Another coincidence? No, 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 no. Let's move on to Mark 6 verses 42 to 44.
They all ate and were satisfied, and the disciples picked up 12 basketfuls of broken pieces of bread and fish. The number of the men who had eaten was 5,000.
How many men were fed that day?
5,000 men.
Do the maths add up? How can 7 food items feed 5,000? Let us remember that before the fish and bread were distributed, Jesus looked up to heaven and he gave thanks. While Jesus' disciples brought in only 7 items of food, but the power of prayer magnified God's blessings. If you remember the factorial function, 7 factorial means 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now quickly grab your calculators and find out what 7 factorial is equal to. You should be getting a product of 5,040. This is close enough to what Mark 6 verse 44 said. The number of the men who had eaten was 5,000. Another coincidence? No, 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 no. Oh well, our calculation exceeded the 5,000 mentioned in Mark's Gospel by 40. Remember that number because on our next BBM video, we will explore the biblical significance of the number 40. In the meantime, always say a prayer before every meal.